Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise Him all day for what is and what was. Take hold of your iman. Don't give.
Many people are unwilling to forgive their offenders because they think forgiveness goes with trust. They think you must trust the person after the person has offended you. It doesn't mean no. For example, now, does forgiving a sexual offender mean that you may still travel and leave your children with the person? You hear that somebody is an offender. Somebody abuses and molests children. Will you say you are forgiving the person and then you keep your daughter in his care? Does forgiving a wife beater, somebody who beats women, you now say you are forgiving him, does that mean you give him your daughter to marry? No. Does forgiving someone's dishonesty mean that you believe everything that person says afterward? No. After a friend confessed to you that he or she has been saying bad things about you behind your back, will you continue to tell him your secret? No. You just heard now somebody say, well, it's so and so person that told me. And this is something that's a secret between you and Allah. And you know there's only one person you ever mentioned this thing to. The person now came to confess, actually, sorry, we were just discussing. I didn't even know when I mentioned it. I'm very sorry, I apologize. And then it's okay, I've forgiven you. It is going to be foolishness for you to tell that person your secret next time. So forgiveness doesn't mean you trust. You continue to trust the person who has repeatedly betrayed your trust. Forgiveness and trust, they may be related though, but they are different. Forgiveness relates to the past offense. It chooses to accept the painful consequences and sets the offender free from retaliation. You will not retaliate. You will not expose the person the way the person had exposed you, right? But trust relates to the present. Forgiveness relates to the past, something that has happened. You did this before and I've forgiven you. But trust is now. It's a measure of the confidence we have in the person's reliability. Trust is earned. The person has to earn the trust before you can trust the person back. Do you understand what I mean now? Do you understand what I mean? So, forgiveness is not the same thing as trust. To say I've forgiven you doesn't mean I now trust you. Now, if you are in the habit of offending people, and they refuse to trust you, don't blame them. You will need to regain that trust back. That's what it means. I hope you understand now. So don't be foolish. It's an act of foolishness. Somebody keeps exposing you, keeps relating your secret, and you keep telling the person your secret. No, you just keep quiet. Say, no problem. It's okay, no problem. Not that I don't trust you, but no problem. Maybe there's a driver that you engage to always pick you up and drop you at from point A to point B. Now you have a very important meeting to attend, and this driver said he's coming 10 o'clock. This driver came 11:30 and said sorry, it's because of the traffic jam on the way. You forgive the person. Another time the person said, okay, this time around I will even come 9:30. The person only came 12:30 and said his vehicle got damaged on the way. You forgive the person. The third time the person comes and say, well, it's because VIO or road safety arrested me on the way. First time, second time, third time, you keep going late to where you needed to go. Next time, what are you supposed to do? Having forgiven that person, you just say thank you, or don't even bother to come. I'll look for another driver, or I'll drive myself. Not that you didn't forgive him more. You understand? But it's just that forgiveness is not the same thing as trust. I can forgive you, I will not press charges. I will not take you to the police station to arrest you for making me to go late for my appointment. I will not take revenge, I will not even insult you, I will not say anything. I've forgiven you, you can go on your own, but I don't trust you again. So, to say I forgive somebody doesn't mean I now trust that person.
Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the